Hi, it's Porsche Centre Dublin. Presented today, this 2018 Porsche Cayenne diesel. This Cayenne diesel is finished in white Carrera metallic with 21-inch turbo design wheels with full coloured wheel centres. This Cayenne further benefits from black package exterior. Moving inside, 14-way comfort seats with memory package. Bose surround sound system. Heated seats, dual climate control, navigation module with Apple CarPlay, full panoramic sunroof, and Porsche embossed headrests. This Cayenne also has park assist front and rear with reversing camera. Should you wish to take a closer look at this vehicle, please contact Porsche Centre Dublin on 01 235 3375. Thank you.